Welcome back students. So in this video we are going to understand this newly introduced tab which is draw, and from the very name you can understand this has been given in order to draw something. Now before that, if we need to draw anything, then we need to go to paint, draw that, convert that into JPG format or any image format, then we can take it from there to in the Excel file, and then we can use it. However, we have got this feature so that we can draw something over here only, and there are few amazing options. Now first of all, this particular option is available in 2016 onwards, 2016 and 2019. This is 2019 version. By default this draw tab will not be visible, so you need to go to file. After that you need to go to options. From there you will have to go to customize ribbon, and from here you will get to see a draw tab. Here it is. It will be unchecked, so you will have to tick it, means you will have to check it and then click on OK. So you will get to see this draw tab. Now one by one I'm going to make you understand what are these options are. First of all, here are pens has been given for different purpose, or you can say different color. So you need to click on pen over here. You can select the thickness from here. You can select the color option, and you can go for the effect option as well. You can see that. So let's say I'm going for this effect option, and after that when you are in the screen you can draw it accordingly. Let's say I am drawing it. It works very smoothly like this. Now once you have drawn this, uh, so you need to go to over here in order to do the selection. And if you want to select everything, then make sure this lasso select is inactive, and after that simply you can click like this and everything is going to be selected. Now the moment you have selected this, you can come to this shape format, and it works in the manner how shape works. Most of the option over here is inactive because that's the color format or the shape option which they are not so much aware of. Now apart from this, what you can do, you can go for this lasso select, and after that let's say I want to select only this particular portion, I can do the selection, and after that you can move it or use it according to your requirement. Okay, so this is one of the options. These are few pen color options. Apart from this is an eraser option. Click over here, and if you want to erase anything, let's say I want to erase this one, so I can do that very easily. Now let me go to another pen, and I'm going to select this one. I'm going for this particular color option. Fine. Now here I have draw one rectangle. Now it is rectangle of course, but you can see it's not looking very good. So what you can do, you have draw this. After that you can go to this ink to shape. uh, so before that you need to select this. So let me select this. Once I've made a selection, then I will click on ink to shape, and you can see it has been converted into an perfect rectangle shape. You can go to shape format and you can format it as per your need. Similarly, um, let me go over here. Let me select the pen once again, and right now I'm going to draw a rectangle. Not perfect, but you know what need to be done. I'm going to select this. What I'm doing every time, I'm selecting this lasso select twice so that it's not active currently. So whole shape I can select, and after that I'm clicking on ink to shape. Fine, this rectangle is absolutely fine. Again we can go to shape format and we can work on this. Fine. Now final option in the draw tab is ink to math. Many times we required the math equation. um, it's not for the formula purpose but for the print purpose, let's say. So what you can do, you can click on ink to math. Now over here let's say I'm typing 1 by 2 multiplied by 5. So here you can see the preview and then click on insert. So here you can see it is coming. Fine. So, and if you will click over here, you will get to see few more format option also for the math equation purpose. So these are all the options in draw tab. It is quite easy, interesting, and very helpful as well. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.